Okay, so as we're finishing up the coil mod, I found a rooftop tent on Facebook Marketplace for a steal, I think. 400 bucks. So we're about to check it out. I'm here with Chris. I don't know what to expect. If it's like faded and it looks ugly, I'm gonna try to lowball him a little bit, but we'll see what happens. And hopefully he's subscribed to the channel. If I do buy it, I'm gonna give him a key tag and an air freshener, so we'll see. All right, so I have Scott here, and he's the one that's selling the rooftop tent.
Yes, sir.
And so I did buy it off him. I hooked him up with some goodies right there so he could put in his car.
I'll rock it.
Yeah, thank you.
Absolutely.
I appreciate
Absolutely.
it. So this is the rooftop tent here. He says it's a Brazilian brand. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's from Brazil.
So that's the brand.
From what I could read up on Google.
Sumatra. I tried searching it up too, and not a lot came up unless I searched up the actual website. So it is a little bit damaged, so we're gonna have to restore it a little bit. But I mean, most of it is on the cover itself, so it should be fine. And it comes with all the hardware to mount it up on the Jeep. So we should be good to go, and we're gonna have a rooftop tent. That's exciting. So the guy who sold me the rooftop tent was nice enough to take it to my house. He had a trailer on his truck, so we just threw it on there. It did not fit in the back of the Jeep, and I was gonna put it on top, but he offered to give us a ride, so I went ahead and did that. So thank you to you if you're watching. I really appreciate that. Now with the rooftop tent, I'm gonna change the name to Najar Offroad. No, I'm kidding, but we have the rooftop tent now. I'm gonna get it installed probably this weekend. Well, I'm gonna install it myself this weekend. And we have to do some cleaning. It's not in perfect shape. There is things I need to fix. One being like the cover, it's all ripped up. It has like duct tape on it. So I'm probably gonna get a replacement piece for that. And then the tent itself, I will have to clean it up. It's just a little bit dirty from the outside. The inside's really clean, but I'm still gonna clean that as well. But I mean, other than that, it'll be perfect for the Jeep. And since I'm getting that now, it's something I've wanted for a long time. So now I'll be able to go on trips while camping, and it's something new to me, and I'm excited to try it out. So that'll be a fun journey for the channel. So like I always say on this channel, look on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, places like that. You're gonna find great deals on there. I bought so much stuff on there for the Jeep at, you know, discounted pricing because it's you know, a little bit used. But I mean, if you don't have $1,500 to spend on a rooftop tent, just look for a used one. Why not? And just make it nice, you know, clean it up, fix it up, make it nice. Or what you can do as well, if you do want that $1,500 rooftop tent, buy stuff on OfferUp, clean it up, fix it, and then resell it, make a profit. It's that easy to make money nowadays, you know, selling on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, stuff like that. So keep that in mind when you're trying to buy Jeep parts. My rear Iron Rock A-arm, I actually bought off of Facebook Marketplace too. And I got a super good deal. I think I paid like $80 or something like that for it, compared to like $300 brand new. So just be on the lookout. WJ parts are kind of hard to find on there, but sometimes they do pop out. Like soon I'll be posting my Trail Forge track bar there. I've had it for about a year, but I'm going over the axle, so I'm probably gonna post that on there unless one of you hits me up. And no, I'm not shipping, I'm selling local in the Inland Empire area in Southern California. So just thought I'd let you guys know how I get the deals. So as I'm editing this video, I did get an email from Trail Forge that my steering parts are on the way. So I'm excited to do that as well. I want to get rid of the death wobble, so you guys know how excited I am for that. And I'm sure you guys are going to be excited to see how I installed the Trail Forge kit, because you do have to ream the knuckles, and I've never done that before, and I don't know if you guys have either, but that's going to be exciting to do. And I just hope it fixes my problem. If not, I think the next step after that, since everything will literally be replaced in the front end, that doesn't fix it, you know, it'll be the gearbox. So cross my fingers. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys are excited for the rooftop tent on the Jeep. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh wait, check out NajarOffroad.com. Peace.